Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be giving an honest review on Banyan Botanicals Bitter and Bold Coffee Alternative. Disclaimer, I did receive this product for free and I do receive commission when you use my link or code to shop their products. That being said, I have used Banyan Botanical products for years and I've always had wonderful results, which is why I've chosen to become a partner of theirs so that I can share their quality products with all of you. So thanks for watching this video. So let me start off by saying that I am a daily coffee drinker. Some days coffee is the only thing that gets me out of bed in the morning, which is not the best. So I'm very excited to try this product because I'm always looking for new coffee substitutes. To give a comprehensive review of this product, I'll be using the following criteria, starting with, I would argue the most important is flavor. Next is aroma. Third is texture. Fourth is health benefits. Fifth is going to be ease of preparation. Let's talk about the ingredients. The main ingredient is chicory root, which is often used as a coffee alternative. Dandelion, it is packed with antioxidants. It also has milk thistle seed, great for helping detoxify the liver. Carob pod, which contributes a little bit of natural sweetness and dietary fiber. And lastly, shatavari root, and it promotes hormone balance and supports reproductive health. So this is a pretty powerful combination of ingredients to enhance the health benefits of this coffee alternative. Per their suggested use, I mixed 1 tablespoon of the herbs with 8 ounces of hot water, and it was very easy to mix together. I'd give this a 5 out of 5 for preparation. As you can see, it does have a little bit of grittiness, but they do mention on the packaging that the herbs will settle instead of dissolve, and to just enjoy them and know that you're getting full health benefits. And now for the taste test. I was happily surprised that initially on the tongue it does taste very similar to coffee. The flavor is definitely there. The aftertaste is a little bit more on the earthy side, not quite like dirt. It is very enjoyable. The aroma, it does smell very enjoyable, not quite like coffee, more on the sweet side. Overall, as a daily coffee drinker, I would definitely recommend this to people who are looking for a healthy alternative to their daily coffee. It does taste very similar to coffee. It is caffeine free though, so it's not going to give you that same energy boost, but it is giving you that health boost. So definitely something to try. If you'd like to try Bitter and Bold or any other Banyan Botanical products, check out the link below. For now, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. See you next time.